Hey, what's up guys? Monday afternoon. Been doing some cleaning up from the weekend and some other projects I had going on. Got a fresh sheet of 16 gauge on here. Gonna be cutting out a few flags and nested in a couple other parts there as well. The Cowboys logo there for somebody that I'm doing something custom for that. And then let's see, I think Douglas is going to be one of those small ones, and then I sold one on eBay. One of the small ones orders came through. I've had those eBay postings out there for a while, and I get an order every now and then, and I've got full retail on those. These come over as $225 including shipping from eBay, and I sell them to people on my channel $175 for that same size including shipping. So if you guys, I've got two of these sold. I'm going to just cut two extras because somebody's going to want one. So if you want one of those, let me know. Going to cut them out today and get them painted tomorrow and get them shipped. Douglas has been patient. I appreciate him waiting. I've had big thick stuff on the table here for the last several days and finally got a little bit of a chance here to get this cut. So I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to set the my camera up in time lapse and take a time lapse of this whole process here and see how that turns out. All right guys, we'll see you later.